Honda LG battery. Why is Honda investing $4.4 billion with LG to manufacture batteries in the United States? By 2040, Honda aims to have an entirely emission-free product line in the North American market. It's a lofty goal, but not impossible to reach, given that many of its rivals have comparable or even faster timetables. Curious to know more? Well, stay tuned for that. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Having said that, let's get into the video. The newest tactic for Honda's electric vehicle lineup is a large investment in a new battery plant in the United States to produce lithium-ion batteries for Honda and Acura EVs. Honda Motor and LG Energy Solution have established a $4.4 billion joint venture. Subject to regulatory approval, Honda needs to move quickly if it is going to meet its goal of producing 2 million electric vehicles per year by 2030. The Japanese carmaker hasn't said where in the United States its new facility would be built, but construction will likely begin near one of the company's existing plants in Ohio, Alabama, or Indiana. It is anticipated that construction will begin in early 2023, with improved lithium-ion battery cells entering mass production by the year-end of 2025. It's a quick deadline, but Honda seems committed, and the financial boost from LG should help them get there. So Honda isn't alone. Stellaris, the parent company of Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, Fiat, and Alfa Romeo in the United States, said in May that it would partner with electronics giant Samsung to create a $2.5 billion EV battery production facility. It will be in Kokomo, Indiana, which is just north of Indianapolis. Stellaris has set an ambitious target of selling 5 million battery electric vehicles annually by 2030. Another company that has hopped on the Make It in the USA bandwagon is General Motors, which is collaborating with LG at its battery plant in Lansing, Michigan. Both Ford and SK Innovation are working on a new electric car battery research facility in southeast Michigan, while Hyundai is constructing a massive $5.5 billion electric vehicle and battery complex close to Savannah, Georgia. Rivian, a manufacturer of electric vehicles that went public last year and reportedly raised $11.9 billion, has plans to invest $5 billion in Georgia as part of an overall expansion of its activities. Keeping an eye on the competition and seeking to emulate their successes, Rivian could reasonably decide to replicate Tesla's battery design. Look no further than the demise of small batch automaker Henrik Fisker's former company, Fisker Automotive. If you need convincing of the value of retaining as much technology and development in-house as possible, Fisker, the producer of the Karma and Revero, collapsed in 2013 after its battery supplier, A123 Systems, went bankrupt. Henrik Fisker's new company, Fisker Incorporated, continues the asset-light concept of outsourcing and sends production of the Ocean to a carbon-neutral facility run by Magna Steyr in Australia. However, he has stated his willingness to keep an eye out for domestic expansion opportunities. Automotive businesses like Honda, which all have significant production difficulties to tackle, can benefit from finding a wealthy dance partner like LG. It is reasonable to assume that the burden of a multi-billion-dollar investment is lessened and the load is shared when resources are leveraged. Honda Motors is aware of the enormous potential for EVs in North America, and as a result, the company is doing everything in its power to ensure the market's eventual success. If the past 2.5 years have taught us anything, it's that even the best laid plans in the automobile industry can swiftly go astray, especially when problems with the global supply chain have grown from a minor inconvenience to a major one. This is it, everyone. Let us know in the comments what you think. What will be the fate of LG batteries? Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. Also, put on the notifications because the next video is going to be a great one.